Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to organize our email using Gmail labels. Let's get started. So once we are logged in on our email account, so if you notice on my email, I do have a bunch of emails. So in order for us to organize this, what we need to do is to create a label. So just like for example, if you notice on the left part of our screen, we have here labels. So we're going to click this. And right after that, we're going to create our own label. So just like for example, we have here, I'm going to have one that is awaiting response. So we're going to create, and we need to add another one. So don't forget to include the bracket to read. And the last one would be to respond. So technically, we now have three labels that we created. So that would be awaiting response, to read, and to respond. So we're just going to change the color of this, just like for example, this one, and this will be red, and the last one will be in color yellow. So we're done with that. So we can go ahead for the next step, that is going to the settings. And right after that, we're just going to scroll down. And if we can notice here, there is multiple inboxes. We're going to click this one. So we're going to click customize. And this time we'll create the different sections. So those sections are the one that we created earlier. So we are going to input here label, colon, the bracket. That would be to respond or awaiting response. Then we can input here awaiting response. Then we can include here to read. And the last one will be to respond. So don't forget to input that one here as well. And right after that, we can go ahead and scroll down and click Save Changes. If you notice, we now have here the different labels that we created earlier. So we have awaiting response, to read, and to respond. So basically, if we are going to click this one, we have here the option to move this label as to read, and we're going to click apply. So if you notice, that particular email was included on the to read label. So another thing, just like for example this one, we're going to label this as awaiting respond. So we're going to apply. So technically, we can now organize our email then to the different label that we created. So there you have it. That's how we are going to organize our email using Gmail labels. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.